Hi everyone, this is Kerem speaking and I'm running TechJourno, which is covering global tech, startup and sustainability stories. Probably this video won't many views, but it's important to know what's going on in the world in terms of technology and politics. So this video is about why Germany is blocking the sales of two German chip companies to China. So let's start with the first one. Germany blocked the sales of Elmos, which is a Dortmund-based company that is manufacturing mainly for the automotive industry. The potential buyer was Silex, which is a Swedish subsidiary of Chinese SAI Microelectronics. The reasons for the blockage were national security concerns and the transfer of technical know-how to an autocratic nation. The story claimed at Reuters.com, where I read this story. And by the way, Silex offered $85 million to acquire Elmos. Regarding the acquisition, German Minister of Economics Robert Habeck said that, I have to read this from the screen because it's a long quotation, "We have to look at company takeovers closely when it comes to important infrastructure or when there is a danger that technology flows to buyers from non-EU countries." And he continued, "Especially the semiconductor sector. It is important to us to protect the technological and economic sovereignty of Germany and Europe. Of course, Germany is and will remain an open investment location, but we are not naive either." And then the minister emphasized a conscious strategic approach by China and cited concerns over influencing knowledge acquisition and production control. Now let's go to the second attempt for acquisition. This was an investment in ERS Electronic, which is based in southern state of Bavaria, government sources told. The company offers thermal test methods for semiconductor production. According to a spokesperson for ERS Electronic, there were no plans to sell the company, but the company has been looking for options of getting investment from a Chinese private equity company, a firm. So now these are the attempts for the acquisitions from China in Germany. And now let's see the Chinese side. What are they talking about and what's their comment? So to do this, I will refer to the comments of Chinese Foreign Minister spokesman. His name is Zhao Lijian, and he said he didn't know about the chip factory sales, but he told German government should treat companies equally. Zhao called on Germany to provide a fair, open and non-discriminatory market environment, normal operation of all companies, and avoid, let me read this from the screen, using national security as a pretext for protectionism. And in this video I wanted to show you Chinese technological expansion into Germany with two examples and how they have been blocked by the German government. I hope this video is informative to you. If yes, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and post your comments below. See you soon with the new videos and bye for now.